See, right, a little quick video. This is in Littleborough, this. That's fucking Wincanton and that. In Farmer's Field here. Got the doctors just over the back there. And this hump on this field next to this fucking house. Look, see that hole? What that is? It's an old air raid shelter. On there. If you look here. It might be overgrown though. You might not be able to get in it. Like a bomb shelter or something like that. I'm gonna watch it all because it's fucking old like that. It don't look good on there. Little shit like this. Yeah. Whatever that used to be. But that used to be a bomb shelter. See, like this. There used to be an entrance somewhere along one of these that you could get in underneath the fucking thing.